Hi everyone, Simon Keeling here. It's Wednesday the 21st of November. Thanks again for watching. Got a quick birthday broadcast for you here this morning. See how much I think of you even on my birthday. I'm broadcasting to you. Lots going on weather-wise over the next few days. Had some serious amounts of rainfall in the last 24 hours, all courtesy of the area low pressure that's centred across the south of the country just at the moment. It's that's been causing such heavy rainfall. You can see the low in here. That's the centre of the low that's developed and brought all this heavy rain, and it looks as if that is going to be moving away during the course of this afternoon, taking the rain with it, although perhaps not clearing quite these eastern coasts until this evening. Got a ridge of high pressure though building in behind, but then the next problem weather-wise comes in from the west. Just watch what happens to the winds here. Look, this is the next frontal system moving in, and you can see how strong the winds become ahead of that. Now looking as if they're going to be gusting about 50 miles an hour during the course of Thursday through central and eastern parts of the country. Most of the rain affecting western areas, this becoming heavy at times and then edging its way steadily eastwards during the course of Thursday evening. Looks as if the far southeast probably stays dry and breezy through Thursday, but then the rain will be arriving overnight, look, and we find drier weather with some showers just moving onto these western coasts later as the rain clears away from the southeast, probably by late morning on Friday. And then for Friday, not a bad day really, brighter sunny spells, some showers affecting western coasts of the country, and looks as if as we head into Saturday, quite a cold one with a frosty start, but generally Saturday looks as if it is going to be a fair day with good spells of sunshine, just one or two showers affecting southern coasts. But look what happens as we get into Sunday. Got an area of rain that just glances through the southeast, but then this low develops across Ireland. It sweeps eastwards during the course of Sunday afternoon, overnight into Monday, then clears into the North Sea, taking the rainfall with it, but then what it does is it brings in this northerly flow, bringing much colder air down across the country, and as this comes in, there is the possibility of some of this precipitation turning wintry, these showers turning wintry over the hills of Scotland, Northern Ireland, and possibly parts of Wales too, late on in the night into Monday and the early part of Monday itself. And then through Tuesday, got a northerly flow through the country. It looks like it's going to be a cold day. There could be some wintry showers down these eastern coasts, but elsewhere probably not too bad. Cloud and feeling cold, really raw in this wind. But as I've been saying, I don't think snow is going to be the issue here. I think it's really just going to be feeling so cold given the weather that we've had recently. And then really this northeasterly flow stays with us towards the middle part of next week. Now, this is as we look forwards, the ECMWF. This is how it's seeing things. Look, it's actually less cold on this run than it was on the previous runs, but this is because of the position of the area of low pressure. But notice that these temperatures just tank as we head into the beginning part of December. And if we take a look at the ECMWF, let me just get that back in the right place. There we are. If we look at the ECMWF, you'll be able to see what's happening with it. Here's our area of low pressure that's passing through the UK just at the moment. Now, what you'll notice is that we've got this trough, look, that's centred out here in the Atlantic. This is the trough that we've been on about for some time, but it's this ridge that builds out towards the west here that we're interested in, and it's that we've been focused on. So watch the trough move through as we get into this weekend. Look, we get a short wave trough just go over the top of an area of low pressure which zips its way northeastwards during the course of Saturday night into Sunday morning. It's this that brings that spell of rain across southern parts of well, southeastern parts of the country, although the ECMWF tending to bring it, look, further west, and it's this that we need to watch for bringing a risk of some very strong winds and heavy rain across England and Wales overnight into Sunday. But it doesn't last very long before it clears away out towards the east. We then get our secondary trough swinging through, which is this feature here, look, and this is more notable because we've got the ridge out towards the west that then feeds in this cold flow to come down into this trough. It feeds the trough here and it strengthens it significantly as it moves its way eastwards or slowly eastwards as we head in towards Tuesday. Look, it's stuck in position. The ECMWF not doing as much with this low as it once was, not moving it far eastwards, but what it does is it sinks it down into Iberia and brings in this northeasterly flow behind it, and it sets up this area high pressure up towards the northwest of the country and low pressure down towards the south, and brings in these northeasterly winds, and it's that that's going to be making it feel so cool. And it's when that happens that we get the colder conditions coming in that the ECMWF is seeing. Now, just on these last two charts, just notice how, look, this high slips southwards as we get into the beginning part of December. Well, it did slip southwards as we head into the beginning part of December. Now, what I think happens here, I'm not sure the ECMWF quite has this on the 1st of December. What I think will happen is that this high will continue to slip southwards, that this flow here will become more of a westerly. We'll find milder conditions moving in around the sort of 5th or the 6th of the month, and then we get a second hit back into cooler conditions towards the end of the month. That looks to be the way things develop just at the moment. So for now, I'm going to leave you with that and ask you to keep the sun shining. Bye for now.